So we're going to import the file that we exported from SketchUp into an augmented reality application, and I'm assuming that you installed Build AR using the link that was provided to you. And once you install Build AR and open Build AR up, this is the first screen that you're going to see. And when you open it up, the first thing that I want you to do is click on this particular option which says use black square ART toolkit style markers. You click on that, and then I'm going to maximize this window. The next thing that I want to do is select the video feed. I'm going to click on video and drop this menu down here and select camera. And you might have different camera feeds. My laptop has an attached webcam which I'm going to use for this particular project. You might just want to use the default video camera on your laptop as well, or your computer. So I'm going to use my Logitech attached webcam. Select that, and once I hit play, my video feed should pop up. I'm going to say OK to this, and there we go. We have the video feed from my Logitech webcam, and I've already printed out a marker, as you can see. And these markers, I provided an example for you as well. This is a kanji marker, so you can use that. Just print it off, cut it up, and paste it on a piece of cardboard, and you should be good to go. So I'm going to just place it here, like so. And there are a couple of things that we can do with this marker. So I'm first going to add a marker by going to this marker section, right click and say add marker, and I'm going to browse for a marker. And in your installation directory for Build AR, you should see a markers folder. So I'm going to use this kanji marker because that's the one that I've printed out. I'm going to use my kanji pattern. I'm going to say open, and I'm going to say OK. And once that's done, there are a couple of things that you can do. If you right click on the kanji marker, you'd see different options. You can add 3D models, you can add images, movies, texts. Let's see what it does. I'm gonna, just as an example, add an image, and it provides a placeholder for the image. So once it provides the placeholder, just double click on it, and I'm gonna navigate to somewhere I have an image, and I have this image here. It's a plan of a building. So I'm gonna just double click on it, and it opens up, and you can see that that plan, it's automatically applied on top of the kanji marker. And when I move the kanji marker, the plan moves as well. And that's exactly what augmented reality is. It overlays an object on the physical world. So you can see your hand. Also, you see an object over it. And if you don't want to see these, you just click somewhere else. And you see, you have this is augmented reality. And now it's just an image. What we want to have is actually a 3D model on top of it. So let's do that. I'm going to delete this one here, and I'm going to right click, add 3D model, and by default you see this, it's going to be this blue box, and it's 3D, so you can actually move your marker, and you see it's as long as the camera sees your marker, it's going to be persistent. And I'm going to double click on this placeholder and navigate to where we saved our model, which is on this folder. So dormroom.dae, and open it up, and there we are. So we have the dorm room. I'm just going to place it by using these axes. I'm just going to move it on top so that we can clearly see it to the middle. And now we have our dorm room on the palm of our hand, if you want to use that expression. So there we go. Now, having an entire building might not be the best option. In a similar way, what you can do is you can export your furniture pieces. Like if you design a chair, you can see it in augmented reality by using the same method, right? So you can have little chairs, little desks on top of your actual working desk by using this method. It's a tool that we use in order to visualize 3D objects, and you can even see a close-up of of the space, as long as the marker is visible to the camera. There you go.